going to finish the aromatic compound. In the beginning itself, I told you that almost 70-80% of the chemicals, they are same whether it is in the aliphatic compound or aromatic compound. Now we have to give the stress on those 30% area which is having the difference. And the first difference is, I am going to tell you the difference. Then what we will do, we will try to solve it one by one. So first, what is the difference? Similarity, 70%, 70-80% similarity is there and 30% dissimilarity is there. And the biggest dissimilarity is, suppose it is RNH2. RNH2 plus HONO. Then what we have learned? It is ROH. It is ROH in case of aliphatic compound. In case of aliphatic compound. But in case of aromatic compound, in case of aromatic compound, the same compound, the same formula will give. Same formula will give benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt. It's a benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt. It's a benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt. And it is having highest synthetic importance in the aromatic compound. It is having highest synthetic application. And what we will see, that almost after every reaction, we come to this compound. We start from amines and we come to this compound, and from here we are going to convert so many compounds. So it's a basic framework. And most important thing, it's a highly unstable compound. So it doesn't need very high temperature to convert into product. क्या बताया? RNH2 plus HONO जब ये एलिफेटिक होते तो क्या बनता? अल्कोहल. लेकिन जब ये R एरोमेटिक हो तो अल्कोहल की जगह बेंजीन डाइजोनियम सॉल्ट बनते हैं. और ये बेंजीन डाइजोनियम सॉल्ट, इनकी इंपॉर्टेंस, सिंथेटिक इंपॉर्टेंस सबसे ज़्यादा है. और हर दूसरे तीसरे रिएक्शंस के अंदर में ये कंपाउंड हमें देखने को मिलते. और इन कंपाउंड्स को डिसोसिएट करना बहुत आसान होते हैं. इन्हें डिसोसिएट करना बहुत आसान है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे आर हैविंग वेरी हाई सिंथेटिक इंपॉर्टेंस. So it's a benzene diazonium salt plus A positive, B negative. So the product will be this part will come out, and in this part B will be there. So benzene diazonium salt, it combines with B negative. So this entire part has been removed by, it has been replaced by B negative. So now this is the benzene ring plus B. This B negative is a nucleophile. It's a nucleophile. Nucleophile means those chemical ions or molecules having negative charge or lone pair of electron or excess of electron known as nucleophile. Is known as nucleophile. So this is nucleophilic substitution reaction. In shortcut, this reaction is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. It's a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. It's a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now I am trying to solve. Now I am going to solve these molecules, this conversion based on this compound or based on this route. So what we have to do, what I am going to do, I will convert these compounds either in this form, and from here I will convert it to the product. So reactant, and this will be the second step, and at the third step the desired product will be there. Now first compound is benzene to aniline. Benzene to aniline. Benzene to aniline. It's a benzene. It's a aniline. So benzene to aniline. So what we have to do? What is our basic aim? We have to introduce nitrogen in this compound. We have to introduce nitrogen in this compound. So what is the method to introduce the nitrogen? What is the method to introduce the nitrogen? The best method is nitration method. Nitration of benzene. Nitration of benzene. This is the most suitable method. This is the most suitable method to convert benzene into a compound which contains nitrogen. बेंजीन के कंपाउंड्स में अगर हमें नाइट्रोजन इंट्रोड्यूस करने तो ये सबसे बेहतरीन तरीका है, ये सबसे बेहतरीन तरीका है. और क्या करा, HNO3 plus H2SO4. HNO3 plus H2SO4, this is known as nitration mixture. Nitration mixture. Because this HNO3 will split as, NO2 positive plus OH negative. So very surprising, it is acting as a base. This has to act as a base. So this acid must be stronger than HNO3. This acid must be stronger than HNO3. This acid must be stronger than HNO3. So a strong acid is taken. A stronger acid is taken to convert HNO3 into basic form. So this H2SO4 can be replaced by a stronger acid. So in that case HNO3 will act as a base, and this NO2 is the actual nitrating mixture. This NO2 is the actual nitrating mixture. It's electrophile. NO2 is a actual nitrating mixture and it's a electrophile. It's electrophile. So in the next form, if it undergoes nitration, the product will be NO2. But we don't want NO2. Our requirement is NH2. So this oxygen has to be replaced by hydrogen. Removal of oxygen is known as reduction. Addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. So if this compound undergoes reduction, it will give the product aniline. And which reagent is suitable to reduce it? The suitable reagent is zinc Sn plus HCl. This will give the nascent hydrogen. Sn plus HCl, it gives the nascent hydrogen. Nascent hydrogen, which is better reducing agent. Better reducing agent than molecular hydrogen. So what we did, we took Sn plus HCl, that's why it can give the nascent hydrogen. And nascent hydrogen, why the nascent hydrogen has been taken? Because nascent hydrogen is a better reducing agent than molecular hydrogen. As a result, this oxygen will come out. And it will be replaced by hydrogen. So finally nitrobenzene will convert to the aniline. It's a nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene which has been converted into aniline. क्या करा, एक बार फिर से देखो. बेंजीन कंपाउंड लिया, एक नाइट्रोजन इंट्रोड्यूस करना था, इसे नाइट्रेशन करा, नाइट्रोजन यहाँ आया. नाइट्रोजन के साथ ऑक्सीजन भी है, लेकिन हमें ऑक्सीजन नहीं, हाइड्रोजन चाहिए. तो इस पूरे मॉलिक्यूल को क्या करते, रिड्यूस कर देते. रिड्यूस करने के लिए क्या यूज़ करा, Sn इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ HCl. इससे क्या फ़ायदे, इससे फ़ायदा ये होना कि हाइड्रोजन बाहर आना है. इट विल ये नेसेंट हाइड्रोजन देना है, और नेसेंट हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन से ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होते, तो हम यहाँ से आसानी से ऑक्सीजन को बाहर निकाल सकते और हाइड्रोजन ऐड कर सकते. नाउ कम टू द सेकेंड पॉइंट. Aniline to benzene. It's a aniline and we have to go to benzene. Aniline to benzene. As I told you, the intermediate way is benzene diazonium salt. As I told you, the intermediate way is benzene diazonium salt. And how to convert the benzene diazonium salt? Once this compound undergoes reaction with HONO, nitrous acid, it's a nitrous acid. it will give and this nitrous acid when this compound combines with H3PO2, it gives benzene. Here we need to note down one more thing. It's a combination of this compound can be generated by HCl. This compound can be regenerated. This compound can be generated on the spot by combination of NaNO2 plus HCl. So this compound will be there, and at the end of this reaction this HCl will come. At the end of the reaction this Cl will come. तो क्या करा, पहले एनिलीन के साथ HONO को रिएक्ट कराया, इससे क्या बनता, बेंजीन डाइजोनियम सॉल्ट. बेंजीन डाइजोनियम सॉल्ट के ऊपर इट्स ए बेंजीन डाइजोनियम सॉल्ट इन शॉर्टकट बेंजीन डाइजोनियम सॉल्ट BDS. बेंजीन डाइजोनियम सॉल्ट H3PO2 के रिएक्शन के साथ क्या बना, बेंजीन. एज ए कैटलिस्ट वी आर यूजिंग हियर कॉपर. Next one is the chlorobenzene. Aniline to chlorobenzene. Aniline to chlorobenzene. Next step is benzene diazonium chloride. Next step is benzene diazonium chloride. Because we need to come to chlorobenzene. It's a chlorobenzene. So it's a NaNO2 plus HCl. That's why this compound will be benzene diazonium salt, N2Cl. Benzene diazonium salt. And when this compound undergoes reaction with CuCl in presence of HCl, the anionic part will replace this entire N2Cl. And which one is the anionic part in this case? Cl negative is the anionic part in this case. So it is going to replace this entire part from here. This N2Cl, this can be replaced by, when this combined with CuCl in presence of HCl, this entire compound will give this chlorobenzene. Now next one is the aniline to phenol. Next one is aniline to phenol. So again, from starting to the next step, starting and next step is the same. We have to convert it into the phenol. So when this compound combines with H2O in presence of acidic medium, it gives phenol, because H2O can be dissociated in form of H positive, OH negative. This nucleophile will come there. This nucleophile will come there. Now phenol to acetophenone. Phenol to acetophenone. Phenol to acetophenone. This is phenol and this one is acetophenone. And this part can be done, this part is having one name reaction. This part is having a name reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation. So first of all, we have to convert it into benzene. First of all, we have to convert it into benzene, and from benzene to this compound is known as Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. And particularly it's a acylation reaction. Acylation reaction. It's a acylation reaction. So phenol to benzene. If we put it here zinc dust. If we put it the zinc dust here, this will convert to benzene. And when benzene undergoes acylation reaction, it gives acetophenone. If it goes alkylation reaction, it will give toluene. If it goes alkylation reaction, it will give toluene. So I am going to write both reaction at the same time. Suppose it's a benzene. This one is a benzene. This part is acylation and this part is alkylation. Common thing is anhydrous AlCl3 plus concentrated HCl. It's a common between both sides. Here we take alkyl halide, and this side we take acyl halide. We take acyl halide, and this one is the common reagent. So what is happening? This benzene plus CH3COCl plus AlCl3 oblique HCl. This one should be anhydrous. This one should be anhydrous, and this one should be concentrated. So finally, it will be AlCl4 negative plus CH3CO positive. And this electrophile is going to attack the center. As a result, we are going to get this. As a result, we will get this compound. And suppose in place of acyl halide, if we take only alkyl halide, only, CH3Cl plus AlCl3, it's a CH3Cl plus AlCl3 in presence of HCl. Again the same mechanism is there. AlCl3 will abstract chlorine from this side. As a result, electrophile will be generated. Electrophile is carbocation. In this case, it's a methyl carbocation. CH3 positive. This CH3 positive will attack to the center and it will give toluene.